Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm the Israelite woman, and today's video is just a continuation of my other eczema video, which is up here, and you can go back and watch that. Today I want to talk about ways to improve your eczema, ways and things that you can do to prevent your skin from getting to a certain stage. Now, eczema can be extremely painful, and your skin can just go through some awful transformation, and it can just put you in a state that you don't want to be in. And I can tell you that because my son went through that, and it was bad for him and all of us. So today I want to tell you about some things that you should really stay away from if you want your eczema to get better. Now, when you have eczema, you need to, it's winter in a lot of places, and if you live in a country that has a long winter, you may not be able to do that. But if you have eczema, you need to get some sun. Sunshine is very important, because when you go in the sun, it helps you to manufacture vitamin D by using the melanin that's in your skin, right? Converts it into vitamin D. So you need some of that, and the sun is by itself is very healing. Now, you can't stay in the sun for a very long period of time. I wouldn't advise that, but the areas that you have eczema on, if you can allow it to have some sunshine, that would be great. Now, another solution is the areas that you have the eczema on, you should put like a warm compress on it, on those areas. This helps a lot. Taking baths so in your bath you put Epsom salt or sea salt in your bath. And Epsom salt contains magnesium, and the magnesium is going to be absorbed into your skin, and it's going to relax the muscle, and it's also going to help you with the itching. It's going to ease the itching. It's not going to stop the itching completely, but it's going to ease the itching. So that's a great solution. Even with the Epsom salt, if you can dissolve the Epsom salt a bit, and you can take like a pad, it's like a cotton ball, and just tap the areas where you have the when the eczema is really, you have a flare up. So you can mix that. Now, be careful when you are mixing the Epsom salt with water. You don't want to make it too strong. Like, you're gonna put the 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt with about like 4 or 5 teaspoons of water, and then you'll tap the areas where you have that, bad flare up. So that really gonna help you with the itching. Now, please stay away from all products that you buy in the pharmacy, wherever you buy your body products. Cream, lotions, these things have alcohols, parabens, sulfates, all kind of stuff in them, and if you put it on your eczema body, it's not gonna be good. Okay, you need to find things like coconut oil, olive oil, butter, shea butter. You can just put shea butter by itself. You have to find some butter that's very moisturizing, that's gonna actually stay on your skin. A good one is castor oil. When you put castor oil on eczema, it helps the itching a lot, but it coats the area where that's very itchy and that's breaking out very badly. So this is very good to put on it. If you put shea butter at the bottom, then you just put some castor oil at the top, it's even better. So these are things that you can help your body with. Also, drinking a lot of green drinks, make green smoothies, eat a lot of celery, things that will bring good enzymes into your body and help to get rid of that bacteria that is attacking your body, which is the eczema. Also, you can stay away from certain things like if you eat lots of pizza and junk food and stuff like that, McDonald's, all that stuff, like don't eat that stuff. If you have eczema, you need to go on a really green, healthy diet if you don't have one. If you're not on one, get rid of the junk. And if you're already on a healthy diet, then get rid of the products that are in your house and the things that you're putting on your body, like I say in all my videos. And you need to get your body clean on the inside. Now, fermented drinks, fermented kombucha, fermented ginger drink, anything fermented pickles, fermented cabbage, things like that, you stock up on. You know, make them. It's very easy to make. Look up a YouTube video, read a book, go to the library. Invest in things like that. That's going to be healing for your body. And for young children, they like pickles, they like fermented cabbage. The kids, they would eat that, and that would help them in the eczema process. And for the cleansing of the body with the eczema, make sure that you're not like overdoing the cleansing process, like taking a lot of baths and stuff like that. At least try to take at least one solid bath a day, and make sure that you soak yourself in Epsom salt and baking soda, and you could add a little bit of essential oils if you don't have any, if it's not going to bother you. And these are things that you want to do, because the itching and the scratching really contaminates the area every time. So you need to kind of clean those areas and keep them very clean and sterile. So this is what you want to do. And listen, eczema is not something that's going to be cured in 2 or 3 days. It takes a period of time. So you have to use patience. And in the meanwhile, while you have all that stuff on you, you have the eczema on your body, just keep your body covered. So you wear long sleeve, wear long pants, and you wear long skirts. So cover your body when you're around people, especially if you're, I mean, those on your face, you can't cover them, but on your arms and your legs, you can cover it, because that will kind of make you feel better. And also it will kind of prevent like dirt and dust and stuff from blowing into the wounds that are raw and not looking too great. So just keep them covered. And also it'll be good for you too, because you don't have to explain to people all the time, oh, why your hands are like that, or your legs are like that. You don't have to explain too much. It's going to just give you a little bit of, ease if that's the place that you have it and it's not on your face. I mean, you can't do anything if you have it on your face, except I won't advise to put makeup or anything on it, because this is not going to help either. But that is just something that you have to deal with until it gets better. And please don't be making excuses when you have eczema. Okay, oh, I have eczema because of that, or because I'm a little bit overweight, so I have eczema. No, just take responsibility if you're an adult and do something about it. Okay, don't isolate yourself. Don't stay away from friends. That's when you need the encouragement. Someone might have something or know something that they can tell you. But if you isolate yourself, then you're not going to get the help or hear what they have to say to you. So this is my tips and my little talk for today concerning eczema. I hope that was helpful to you or to anyone out there.